friendships. They bring color into our lives, push us to grow, and make the world feel a little less daunting. But sometimes even the closest friendships come to an end. Why does that happen? Let me take you on a quick journey through the science and psychology behind friendship and why some connections fade away. First, here's something fascinating. Our friends shape the way we see the world. In one study, people standing at the bottom of a hill saw it as less steep when a friend stood by their side. That's the power of connection. Our friendships boost our confidence, help us overcome tough times, and even improve our health. But not every friendship lasts forever. Sometimes life just gets in the way. Maybe we move to a new city, change schools, or just fall into different routines. Other times, deeper challenges come up, like competition, misunderstandings, or hurt feelings. Here's what psychologists have discovered. The closest friendships share two things. One, companionship. That easy comfort you feel with someone who shares your interests or values. And two, closeness. That sense of trust and support where you can be yourself, especially in hard times. But these bonds aren't immune to problems. Maybe you and your friend both wanted the same thing, a spot on a team or admission to a college. Maybe trust was broken, or someone said something hurtful, or maybe one of you just couldn't be there when it really mattered. So what do you do when things get rocky? The best way to handle conflict is to talk about it openly, and that's not always easy. Instead of accusing or getting defensive, I try to share how I'm feeling and really listen to their side. Even hard conversations, when done with care, can strengthen a friendship. Sometimes, though, you grow apart. Maybe your lives look different now, or your values have changed, and that's okay. Some friendships end naturally. It doesn't erase the good times you had or the support you gave each other when it mattered most. The truth is, all friendships need effort. Small gestures, remembering birthdays, keeping plans, sending a text just to check in, these things matter. And if you ever feel anxious about making new friends, remember the liking gap. Most of us underestimate how much others enjoy our company. So if a friendship ends, don't be too hard on yourself. It's a normal part of life. The memories, the laughter, the lessons, they're still with you. And who knows, there's always room for new beginnings. Thanks for listening.